Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMath. ADMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, after 2 months I am going to upload my ADMath lectures again. Actually, I was busy in my some sort of family problems, so kindly accept my apology, but I promise then I will again upload ADMath lecture in the same potential which I was uploading before 2 months. So I choose logarithm from past papers. Before logarithm, I uploaded the lectures on integration. So let's start question number 1 from past papers. Find the value of x for which 2 log x minus log 5x plus 60 is equals to 1. This question came May-June 2012, code 1113. So let's start part A. Students, 2 log 2 log, whenever you see LG, you always keep in your mind the base of this log is 10. It means if the base of logarithm is not given, it means automatically the base is 10. So 2 log x negative log 5x plus 60 is equals to 1. So apply the laws of logarithm. This 2 becomes the power of x, so it is log x square negative log 5x plus 60 is equals to 1. So if you write log 10 instead of 1, so this is same. Why? Because if you find the value of logarithm 10 LG10 from your scientific calculator, you will get 1. Now apply again the law, negative law of logarithm. So negative sign can be converted in terms of fraction. So log x square minus log 5x plus 60 becomes log x square upon 5x plus 60 is equals to log 10. So part A is the logarithmic equation. So if you see 1 log on left hand side and 1 log on right hand side, and if the basis of both the logs are same, then you can cancel directly both log. So x square, this 5x plus 60 is divide over here, so this should multiply on other side, so it is 5x plus 60. Now x square 10 into 5x 50x, 10 into 60 is 600. So x square negative 50x negative 600 is equals to 0. So this is quadratic equation. You can solve this quadratic equation by any method, means the middle term break method or by using quadratic formula. But As you know, I love middle term break method. So 600 1 the 600 and minus 60 x plus 10x minus 600 is equals to 0. Why? Because 60 tens are 600 and minus 60 plus 10 is minus 50. Taking first two factors and last two factors, so x is common, it will become x minus 60. Taking plus 10 is common, x minus 60 is equals to 0. X minus 60, x plus 10 is equals to 0. This implies that x is equals to 60 and x is equals to negative 10. But see carefully the question. Question is 2 log x. So if you put your values of x like minus 10 in the given question, you know logarithm of negative value is undefined. So the only answer of x is equals to 60. This is our final answer of part A. So hope you completely understand part A. This is a logarithmic equation. So in order to solve logarithmic equation, you must know laws of logarithm. Now taking part B again, you can see this part is came in May June 2012, code 1113. So part B is log 5y log 5y is equals to 4 log base y 5. So again you are seeing a logarithmic equation, but this time base is not 10. Base is given. Left hand side logarithm base is 5 and right hand side logarithm base is y. So apply the change of base rule on left hand side. So left hand side base is 5. I want to make this base is y. So the answer is base y upon log y 5 is equals to this 4 become the power of 5. So log y 5 power 4. Log y you know 1. If the base is same and the value is, if the base and the value is same, the answer is always 1. Log y 5 is equals to log y 5 power 4 is what? 5 power 4 is, or you can write, okay, I am not changing this 4. 4 is in the same position. Okay, I am not applying the rule of or the law of logarithm on 4. 4 is remain in the same position just like in the question. Now see left hand side there is log y5. See right hand side there is log y5. So if we let x is equals to log y5. So our equation becomes 1 upon x is equals to 4. Sorry. 4x. Sometime we need substitution in order to ease the question. So 1 is equals to this x multiplied by 4x, it will be 4x square. So 1 upon 4 is equals to x square. Taking square root of 1 upon 4, you will get plus minus 1 upon 2 is equals to x. So we have two values of x. One is positive 1 upon 2 and one is negative 1 upon 2. So take both the values one by one. X is equals to 1 upon 2. X is what? Log y 5 is equals to 1 upon 2. So convert this logarithm into index form. So this will be y to the power half is equals to 5. Squaring on both sides, you will get y is equals to 5 square is 25. This is the first answer of y. Second, taking x is equals to negative 1 upon 2. Again, log y 5 is equals to negative 1 upon 2. Again, apply index rule. It will be y power negative 1 upon 2 is equals to 5. Or you may write this 1 upon 5 is equals to y power half. This is the rule of indices. If you want to convert the power into negative to positive, you must take the reciprocal on both sides. Again, taking squaring, square on both sides, so you will get y is equals to 1 upon 5 square is 1 upon 25. So our final answer of y is 25, comma y is 1 upon 25. So this is our final answer of part B. So hope you completely understand both the question, both the parts. So total marks of this question is 9. So it's too much marks. 5 plus 4 is 9. Now I am taking next question of logarithm. I will do only logarithmic questions. Now see question number 4. This question came in October-November 2012, Court 1-1. Given that P is equals to log base Q 32. Part 1. Find log base Q 4. So very easy. Take this given value P is equals to log Q. This 32 can be write 2 power 5 because you know 2 power 5 is 32. Then P is equals to, apply the law, power can be right before the log, so it is 5 log Q 2. multiply both sides by 2, or first this 5 is multiply over here, this should be divide on other side. So log q2, multiply both sides by 2, you will get 2 multiplied by p upon 5 is equals to 2 multiplied by log q2. 2 into p is 2p upon 5. This 2 becomes the power of 2 log q 2 square. 2 square is 4. And this is the requirement. The requirement was find the value of log q4. The value of log q4 is 2p upon 5. So very important question, very important part. Move to next part. What is next part? Next part is find log q16q. Again, we have given p is equals to log q 32. So p is equals to, again we will do the same thing, 32 becomes 2 power 5, then p is equals to 5 log q2. This 5 must be divided on other side, log q2. Multiply both sides by 4. 4p upon 5 is equals to 4 log q2. 4p upon 5. This 4 must become the power of 2. This log q. And 2 power 4, you know, 16. Now add both sides by 1. 1 plus 4p upon 5 is equals to write log q. So there is no difference between 1 and log q, because if the base and the value is same, the answer is always 1, and log q16 is remains same. So 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 4p upon 5 is equals to, you know, when you have addition sign, you can convert in terms of multiplication. So log q, and q into 16 is 16q.